10 simple exercises to lose your belly fat fast. Guys, today we will learn 10 simple exercises to lose your belly fat fast. So, let's start. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this for your better health. And also don't forget to like, comment and share. Step 1. Jumping jacks, duration 30 seconds. Start with your feet together and your arms by your sides, then jump up with your feet apart and your hands overhead. Return to the start position, then do the next rep. This exercise provides a full body workout and works for all your large muscle groups. Step 2. Wall sit, duration 30 seconds. Start with your back against the wall, then slide down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Keep your back against the wall with your hands and arms away from your legs. Hold the position. The exercise is to strengthen the quadriceps muscles. Step 3. Push-ups, duration 30 seconds. Lay prone on the ground with arms supporting your body. Keep your body straight while raising and lowering your body with your arms. This exercise works the chest, shoulders, triceps, backs and legs. Step 4. Abdominal crunches, duration 30 seconds. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your arms stretched forward. Then lift your upper body off the floor. Hold for a few seconds and slowly return. It primarily works the rectus abdominis muscle and the obliques. Step 5. Step up on the chair. Duration 30 seconds. Stand in front of a chair, then step up on the chair and step back down. The exercise works to strengthen the legs and buttocks. Step 6. Squats, duration 30 seconds. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your arms stretched forward. Then lower your body until your thighs are parallel with the floor. Your knees should be extended in the same direction as your toes. Return to the start position and do the next rep. Step 7. Triceps dips, duration 30 seconds. For the start position, sit on the chair, then move your hip off the chair with your hands holding the edge of the chair. Slowly bend and stretch your arms to make your body go up and down. This is a great exercise for the triceps. Step 8. Plank, duration 30 seconds. Lie on the floor with toes and forearms on the ground. Keep your body straight and hold this position as long as you can. This exercise strengthens the abdomen, back and shoulders. Step 9. High stepping, duration 30 seconds. Run in place while pulling your knees as high as possible with each step. Keep your upper body upright during this exercise. Step 10. Lunges, duration 30 seconds. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands on the hips. Take a step forward with your right leg and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel with the floor. Then return and switch to the other leg. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps, gluteus maximus and hamstrings. That's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video with a new one post. Stay well until then.